There are existence of multiple software components under Java environment. There is one virtual machine known as Java Virtual Machine or JVM. There is one runtime environment known as Java Runtime Environment or JRE. There is one development kit known as Java Development Kit or JDK. And again, there is another important component which is known as just-in-time compilation or JIT. So what are the role of all these software components in Java? Let us understand one by one. Let me represent one computer with this block loaded with operating system, and this coin represents one Java application that is in bytecode. Now if we want to run this bytecode over this computer, of course the application will not run because computer doesn't understand bytecode instruction. It can only understand native machine instruction. So to run this Java application over this computer, we first need to create the Java runtime environment over this computer. Then only this bytecode will be able to run over that runtime environment. Now let me represent that Java runtime environment or JRE with this layer. Now as you can see in this layer, under this layer there are two major components. One is the JVM or Java Virtual Machine. This is the virtual machine which reads this Java application which is in bytecode and converts it into native machine code. JVM acts as the interpreter of the bytecode instructions. That means it reads instruction written in the bytecode file and converts them into equivalent machine instruction one by one. In this process, there is one compiler component that helps JVM. This compiler, which is part of the JVM, is known as just-in-time compiler or JIT. This compiler compiles few critical sections of the bytecode instructions so that the application performance can be boosted during runtime. Now these critical sections, for example, can be part of the code which will be executed repeated times. For example, the instructions which are part of some loop. So these parts, instead of interpretation, is compiled by the JIT, and those compiled codes are stored into some temporary memory location. This helps to boost the performance of the Java applications as these codes need not to be interpreted by the JVM repeated times. So JIT or just-in-time compiler is one part of JVM that helps to boost the performance of the Java application during its execution. Now we have the other component under the runtime environment layer, and this component represents the Java library files. So together the JVM and the Java library files together they creates the Java runtime environment layer or JRE. Over this JRE, if we put this Java application, of course the Java application now can run over this computer. But see, this layer is capable of running Java applications only. If we want to develop one Java application, that is not possible over this layer. Over this layer, we can just run Java application or Java bytecode files. Now to develop Java application, we need development tools. So development tool will have to install over this layer. Now in that development tool, there are multiple components. The most important one is the Java compiler, and many other components are also there like debugger, then the archive file creator, Java document creator, applet viewer, many other components. So let me represent the major component under the development tool with this block, which is the compiler, and all other components under the development tool with this block. So together they represent the Java development tools. So this is the compiler, and this block represents all other necessary tools like debugger, applet viewer, a document creator and other components. So this is the layer where we can develop Java application. Now over this layer we can create Java programs, and then this layer will translate that Java program or application developed in Java into bytecode application. Now see, the entire block together is known as the Java Development Kit or JDK. So to understand it easily, to summarize it, by JDK we mean the JRE plus some additional Java development tools. Again, JRE means the JVM plus the Java libraries. And inside JVM there is one component, software component, which is the just-in-time compiler or JIT.